Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to copy project from GitHub. So first thing you will do guys is of course go ahead and go to GitHub into your computer. Now once you are here guys, this will be their homepage, and of course just simply sign in into your account and log in into your account. Now guys, once you are logged in, from here you can just simply go ahead and go to the repositories that you can find or you want to copy. And from here, as you can see, we will have a multiple project. Now, for example, I would like to go for this one over here. And to download the project itself or make a copy, you just simply select code over here. And you will have an option download zip. So from here, it will be an offline thing. And pretty much you should be able to download their project or copy their project, and this will not be linked anywhere. Right click on it and select extract all, and just simply extract it into your location, and you should be able to see something like this. And pretty much you can utilize this one as your offline copy. Now another option that you could try, you could just simply go for the fork option over here. So from here, it will make your own copy into your GitHub account. So pretty much from here, you can have the repository name, and from here, you can just simply create a fork which will copy a branch only. And pretty much you can freely experiment with the changes over here, and you can code based on your preferences.